Hello everyone. Welcome to Silent Infotech. Are you tired of repeating tasks for the same process again and again to generate a purchase order? Introducing Purchase Order Templates module in Odoo. This module allows you to define reusable configurations with default vendors, delivery schedules, and predefined product lines. By using purchase order templates, you can quickly generate consistent and accurate purchase orders with minimal effort. Let's see how to use this Odoo module. Search for the purchase order template. Here you can see that we already have installed this module. Now navigate to Purchase Orders. Find the configuration and open Purchase Order Templates. Let's create a new template here. Click on New. Enter template's details, such as the name of the template, vendor details and delivery time, products details along with quantities, and save it. Now let's use this template. Open your purchase order dashboard and create a new order. You can select predefined templates by selecting the quotation template and save it. Congratulations, your new purchase order has been created using only a few steps. Thanks for watching this video.